All right, let's take a look at this machine, the laser machine. So for these laser machines, how do you replace the motherboard? First, let's take a flathead screwdriver to the controller and turn this knob. Yes, there's a knob here. Just give it a twist. Originally, it looks like this, and after you twist it, you can pull it open. Once it's open, you can see the motherboard. When removing the motherboard, you need to take out all the screws on it. These screws here all need to be removed. After removing them, unplug all these wires, every single one. Once they're unplugged, the motherboard and these two boards come out together. If our computer's main motherboard is unfortunately broken and absolutely needs to be replaced, you only need to carefully replace this specific red motherboard component. These two boards don't need to be replaced. Of course, when I didn't have a new motherboard, I also didn't have these two boards. So when replacing the motherboard, you must keep these two boards safe. Once the new motherboard arrives and is installed, you still need to put these two boards back on. These two boards are called the Chick board. It's labeled Chick, and the Loic board, and there's also an LLIC board. These two boards are separate, completely independent. When we remove these boards, we must wear anti-static gloves. Make sure to wear anti-static gloves. This is to prevent any static electricity on our hands from damaging the boards. So you need to wear these anti-static gloves. Anti-static gloves.